money and extend. Sabi ko nga, ang problema, ang easement, kasi ayaw ibigay ng mga, sabi ko, we will force it. Sabi ko, you exercise the right of eminent domain, which is a fundamental power of a state, get it by force. Ang sabi lang, magdeposito ka sa korte, bahala na kayong kwintada kung kailan. Kunin mo. And I'm ordering them, buldusin mo na. Huwag kayong magbigyan ng DPWS, do not give me that shit. Transportation. You know that there is the right of eminent domain. You agree on something, everyone in the government. Alam mo, mayroon dyan 2 weeks